What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into the channel. Also, one thing, all right? I told you we're gonna start from the beginning. I'm trying to get back into my videotaping. I'm trying to slide on. And trying to build my eBay back up. I'm gonna show you guys, and if you like my analytics on my eBay, because I haven't really posted on there in a while. When I stopped posting, I had like over 1,500 listings. I was going crazy. And then I only got about like 600, 500. And I still sell stuff pretty much every day. But I only sold one thing yesterday. So the goal is, and I'm going to take y'all through this goal with me, is to try to build my stuff back up to like 1,000 listings and try to get these sales going. Also the patch. Let me get this patch real quick. I got stuff everywhere. I'm in my little room. I keep all my shoes, and I'm doing a little renovating right now, but shirts that I list over here, shoes, and some stuff over here, and I'm trying to put more bins up here, take all these pops down. So let's find this patch and see what it went for. So I sold this patch. It went for $15. These are all the patches I got listed in here, so we gotta go through here and see if we can find it. Found it. Was this patch right here. And the good thing about these patches, I can ship them in these envelopes. I think I charge like $1 shipping, but it only costs me like 45 cents to ship. I love these patches. Those of y'all who've been following me for a while, I got these patches a long time ago, but I have thousands of them. And I've listed a lot of them, and some of them I haven't. But I sell like, I don't know, 10 of these a week. They still sell like crazy, so it was a great buy by me. Night, it's late on the day. I had to get a couple hours sleep. I had just got off. Third shift, nightlife. What up, bro? I'm in the process of taking everything off my deck. About to pressure wash it and paint it. But I'm just gonna pressure wash it today, paint it tomorrow, or maybe Thursday. Let it dry, do its thing. Anyway, I'm about to go over to my shed. I got this large shipping box. And what I like to do when I list stuff, because I am about to list, is come out here, and I got a bunch of smalls. So I like to get the large box, come out here, come in here, and just kind of go shopping. But I got all that cigarette stuff like years ago. I pretty much sold it all. But you know, you always got that stuff at the end, the little knickknacks, the stuff that didn't sell that you just kind of sit to the side, and I need to sell it. You know what I'm saying? I made probably, I think I paid like $7,500 for that whole haul, and I probably made 40,000 off it. I mean, I did real good on that. But I still got these little bitty cups, and I still got some t-shirts and some cigarette lighters, and a couple signs, and some big gas station ground signs. Like, look, that sign. I don't know if you can see in here because of the light. Look, the ones that sit on the ground. Some new that I haven't listed. But for the most part, I've sold all that, made money 5 times, 6 times, and did really good at that. So I like to come in here and go shopping. I like to take that large mailing box and just pack some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I can fit in the box, take pictures of it and list it on eBay. So that's what I'm gonna do now. eBay is kind of funny. With me, I get tired of listing certain things. So like clothes, I hate listing clothes, but I try to list an order of clothing. Maybe some of this stuff, some other stuff, a little bit of everything. That way I won't get tired of doing the same thing all the time. I try to get between 3 and 5 items listed a day just because of my schedule. As long as I can do that, if I do more, then great. But as long as I can do at least 3 to 5 things a day, that's a plus for me. All right. So anyway, let me go ahead and see what I can get fit in this box, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, look at that. Look at that. That's what we're gonna go with now. We got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let me show you what I got. Look at that. We got a Bengals joint. Look, a brand new t-shirt. Told you I still had t-shirts. Oh, dropping stuff. Told you I still had t-shirts left. There's a Winston t-shirt. like an old cassette tape. How many? Y'all know what that is. It's crazy that I have to say it. Of course, most people who watch this video know what this is because it's an older demographic, but believe it or not, I got kids and they don't be knowing what this stuff is. Nice cigarette lighter. There's a hat. Some cup holders. This right here is a cigarette lighter. This is actually I actually use this. I got one in the house that I use all the time. Very nice cigarette lighter. Money clips, more lighters. You know, old calculator made by Vintage Cigarettes. So yeah, oh, koozie. Actually, got a couple of them on the bar downstairs. So what I usually do is I fill the box up, take it all out, lay it down, take a bunch of pictures of it, and just list it on eBay as a lot. You know, I think that's the best and easiest way. People get a little bit of everything, and they usually do pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out all that, take a bunch of pictures, and see what else we can find to list. All right, so now that I got that situated, I think I'm gonna go over here and grab a shirt. Let's do the shirt. Let's do some shirts today. Matter of fact, I already got one out. I might listen. Oh, what's on my light? Sorry if y'all can't see. I think I'm gonna list this Chevrolet joint. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this jacket. I should have listed this. I might wait. I should have listed this during the playoffs. Let me see. You can't see. Patriots joint. Look at that. NFL 2X Reebok New England Patriots. I should have listed that. I dropped the ball on that. I should have listed that a little while back. But I think I'm still gonna list it. So let's put that up there. Let's list one more shirt. Oh, look at this right here. I should keep this myself though, but look at this. Columbia jacket. This is 90s Columbia. Look at that. That's a dope jacket, bruh. I kind of want to keep that myself, but I'm too old for this, right? I can't be on the trends like that, right? Look, got a hood on it. Can I chat? I said chat. I'm not live. Can I, peoples? Size lowers my size. Oh, yeah, so I might list that too. So let's go with these three for today. All right, so we got cigarette stuff. We got 3 articles of clothing. I think pretty nice. That Columbia jacket, the Patriots, and just a regular smaggler. This is actually new with tags. Chevrolet GM shirt. Yeah. Oh, and this camera. This is one of the first cameras I got. I got this back in, I don't know, the early 2000s or something. It's a Nikon. Hold up, Rekka. My son got soccer practice. Might have to list this when I get back. It's a Nikon camera. Let's see. I've been wanting to list it for a while, but I just found it again. You know how you put something up and then you find it again and you forget you got it? Yeah, if I can get it out, I'm trying to one-hand this here. Anyway, here you go. It's a camera. I need to charge it up and see if it still works. I might, let me turn around and see. It might be charged. There you go. It works. Alright, I just wanted to kind of go over some stuff. Y'all, don't mind my beard. My beard is kind of bad. I need a shave. But I just wanted to go on here real quick, be kind of transparent. Look, your boy, you know, eBay is sitting kind of bad right now. Yeah, I say, look, in the last 90 days, $1,972, which in hindsight is pretty good, because I ain't been listing nothing. Like this last year, I just been going on faith. You know what I'm saying? I think I got, look, 686 listings right here. I think when I was like consistent, I had over 1,000 easy all the time, right? So stuff's still selling every now and then, as you can see here. But I need to get all of these numbers up, man. That 1972, it's not good. It's not good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I just wanted y'all to go on a little journey with me. I'm gonna list the 4 things that y'all just seen. That's gonna be my foot back in the door. And I'm gonna try to be consistent between 3 to 5 things every day, except on off days. On off days, I'm gonna go crazy, right? But on days that I'm working, your boy need to go ham. You know what I'm saying? To move this out of the way. But yeah, man, I really ain't got much to say. This is kind of how my videos is gonna go. Like, you know, on the weekends, I probably hit yard sales. During the week, I'm gonna list and I'm gonna show y'all what's sold. You know what I'm saying? So for people who just getting into this, or people who just like to see your boy work his magic and be entertained, follow your boy. All right. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.